In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed code in Microsoft Teams community posts. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, the first thing, if you have a code snippet that you wish to share with your community, head over to your account and then open communities. As you can see, currently I have this one community, and here you can share either in announcement or as a post. I'll wish to share my code as a post, so I'll go to post, and now here I'll have an option to share or to type my post. So I just type the text, see the below code. So that is what I want to share with my community, and now I'll wish to insert it here. From here, head over to these three lines, and you should see we have code. You can also use this code block here option. If you just type on it or tap on it, now we'll have an option to paste your code here. I'll go ahead, paste my code, and here it is. And before you just post this, I'll first change this from plain text to the format of the code. So this is a HTML code, so I'll choose HTML. You can see we have also other options for other formats of code. So I just select HTML, and you see it has highlighted this code in HTML format. Proceed and tap on post here. But first I'll add a subject called lesson like that. So make sure you have a subject before you can post your code. And now my post has been sent. So that's how you can embed a code snippet in Microsoft Teams community. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.